Welcome to this video about the finite element formulation and the continuous weak formulation. We started the continuous weak formulation up there, and in this video I would like to show how the construction of a mesh in the domain enters the formulation. So in this sense we have a domain which is more or less was more or less continuous. Now we discretize the continuous space into elements, so into a mesh, and the mesh is now that here we discretize the domain. So the domain is more or less chopped up into elements, which are not elements in the finite element sense, but just some spaces where we then in the next steps calculate on. And this enters the continuous weak formulation in there, that we just denote all the geometrical quantities, the geometrical sets with the h index there, and so in the sense say that this is now a geometrical representation which is not continuous anymore but has a certain limited degree of freedom. So we have now a discrete geometry and not a continuous geometry. But be aware, we still have a continuous function space. So the functions in the functionals itself are still continuous. So be aware of that. We just discretized the domain, didn't discretize the function space.